So how are you both connecting with one another at this time? How are you feeling towards your divine masculine, and how is divine masculine feeling towards you? What's the energy? What is the energy connecting you both at this time? Take a look. Let's have a look with the cards, with the whispers of love. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you are doing well. Divine feminine, how are you feeling about divine masculine at this time? What's your energy towards divine masculine at this time? Thank you. Divine masculine, what's your energy towards divine feminine at this time? Thank you. Your energy is connecting you at this time. Okay. So the underlying energy here is be willing to express love. When we express love, we begin to receive more love. So we have card 6, which is all about this balance, finding that balance where you can meet in the middle. How can you express your love to one another and just be open to feeling it? Okay. Top of the deck, we have true love. The energy between you is definitely true. This love is a once in a lifetime love. There's no doubt about that. There's no mistake. It is true. Divine feminine, how are you feeling about divine masculine at this time? Your heart light's turned on already, divine feminine. You're allowing yourself in this moment to reflect on a time when you experienced love. You can already feel the love of your divine masculine within you and all around you. Your heart light turns on, and you can already feel this beat, this heart beating, pulsating in you. When we start to love, our lives are changed forever. That energy is all around you. It's almost like you have decided to re-love the divine masculine. How do we say it? It's like, well, yeah, your heart light's been turned on yet again, brighter than ever. You want to get back to what you love, and what you love is your divine masculine. And when you do, you can feel his energy all around you. And right now, your current situation is giving you an opportunity to reevaluate what you want. Oh, where to put them? Where to put it? Let's put it there. Thanks. Divine masculine, how are you feeling? Your cards on the floor. How are you feeling about divine feminine? We have ask for help. What is it you really need help with? Be willing to allow yourself the support you need. Divine masculine's asking for help, with regards to you, divine feminine, and what to do about you, divine feminine. Divine masculine's emotions are very intense. He doesn't necessarily know how to express his love, and he needs help in order to do so. Be willing to allow yourself the support You need Divine Masculine's learning to open up, to ask for help about how to express his feelings and his love to you, Divine Feminine. So, the energy between you at this time, look at your pattern in relationships. It requires inner strength to recognize that you need to change or modify your behavior. So the energy between you is recognizing and looking at the patterns, that's the cycles and patterns that's been going on between you and what needs to change. How do you modify your behavior? In order to open up to this love, to be able to give and receive fully, to accept this true love. You are limitless. You need to recognize the truth that you can do anything you choose to do. And here you are, together, loving each other. You're being asked to look at how committed you are to love. It's about considering your foundation and how to ground your connection, how to connect in the physical. Okay. Thanks. Did we split the deck? I think we did. Let's pull a Lover's Oracle. It does feel very peaceful this evening. You know, like that calm before the storm kind of feeling. It does feel a bit like that. The last 3 nights we've had alarms going off. Like I decided to take an early night. But it was interesting. There were many alarms going off outside. But the rest was important. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. You know, perhaps that's been what's been unhealthy in your connection. Perhaps that's old patterns that you're releasing at this time. It's criticizing one another. Because of the expectations of maybe wanting, you know, it to be a certain way. You're needing to release this criticism, to accept each other as you are. Accept the situation for the true love that it is. Let there be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. When we express love, we begin to receive more. Keep your focus on love. New love is on its way to you. New love is on its way to you. Deep within, look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as an ocean. Sexual union, honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul. For there you will find true bliss. And deep in your heart you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Do what feels right. But don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. It's only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. It's almost like you want to make it work. You want to, you want to make it work. Of course, you want to make it work. But you're thinking all around the clock about all the different elements that you want to take care of. Sure that the roots are grounded in the earth. That if you start climbing the tree, it's not going to topple over. Deck, shall we pull this evening? What shall we pull? Should we get a heart and soul card? It's rather a quiet evening. I'm enjoying just being quiet and peaceful this evening. It feels like the calm before the storm. Let's get a heart and soul card. Okay, the ear chakras. A ring a ding dinging. Ring a ding. Ring a ding ding. Ring a ding. Ring a ding ding ding. Ring a ding. It's time to reflect on what really matters. Ultimately, this is love, peace, and happiness. You can only find these within yourself. When there is peace and love in your heart, there will be peace and love in your world. For all your experiences are simply your own reflection. It's that peace I was feeling this evening. It's just peace. Very peaceful. Okay. Very peaceful. And right now you are currently too close to see things clearly. Detach a little and you will start to see things from a higher perspective. By emotionally detaching from the situation, a simple solution also becomes clear. Okay. You are protected, that's what you need to know, by a higher power that also wants to help you. If the path seems blocked, there is a good cause. Take this as divine intervention from a sign from above and wait. When the time is right, all flows with ease. When that time is right, all flows with ease. You begin to receive more love. Express more love. So stay open. Stay open. And be willing. Be willing to express love. A solution is becoming clear very soon. Okay. That's our message. I'm going to leave it here. Thanks, everybody. I hope you've got something out of this message this evening. It is a very peaceful energy. It's quite nice to enjoy that moment of silence. Of course, it's never truly silent. You hear the trains and the cars in the background. But there's no alarms. There's no alarms going off this evening. So that's what you need to know. Whether it is the calm before the storm. But ultimately, this is love, peace, and happiness. Perhaps it's so quiet because you're both reflecting on this love right at this very moment. Take care, everybody. I'll see you soon.